Hey guys, I'm showing you this nightstand. It's a set of two with a charging station, small bedside tables with a storage shelf, tall nightstand with drawers side and for living room or anywhere else. So you can see like this comes with all the tools, screws and everything. All the marks and numbers, the letters are written on top of it. The tools are provided. So everything is provided in the package itself. This is the instructions how to do, and all these numbers and everything is there, so the installation is pretty straightforward. See all the numbers, and you can just do one by one. Is like a Lego, so do it and put in the screws, and this will assemble. So this is all metal with the wooden top and the wooden shelf. So here the screws will come. So let me just do this one by one. So there are two, the 1 and 3 and 1 and 2, and then once I put all these things I will assemble this. So this one is approx like 15.7 inches with a 26 inch in the height. So I will use these tools to set this up. So I just assemble this with the steps in between I'm showing you. So I just put in this outlet that's in the middle shelf. So this has the USB, two USB and two this. So I assembled this whole two product. I just put it on the side, and you can see this looks really nice. And these are the fabric drawer with the wood look front. So the handles and everything is provided. I put it in the outlet, and all these outlets are working good. So the below is the metal shelf, and these outlets you can use to charge your cell phone or anything you want. So two outlets here, two USBs. You can also adjust the shelf the way you want, and then it's pretty nice, the waterproof top and a nice looking nightstands.